UK signs $468 million deal to supply India with missiles. Britain signed the £350 million contract to supply the Indian Army with UK manufactured lightweight missiles, deepening weapons and defense partnership. India and UK strengthen defense and trade partnership. Over Keir Starmer's first visit to India after assuming the charge of the top office. On Thursday, October 9, 2025, the Prime Minister signed agreement furthering the Comprehensive Economic Trade Agreement and a £350 million contract for the UK to supply missiles. Welcome to the Global Affairs Academy. Let's review Keir Starmer's India visit and the agreement signed by both countries. Mr. Starmer, accompanied by a delegation of about 100 entrepreneurs, cultural representatives and university vice chancellors, arrived in Mumbai for a two-day visit to take advantage of the opportunity brought by the India-UK CETA, Comprehensive Economic Trade Agreement, signed in July. The British film industry on Wednesday hailed a pact agreed with the National Film Development Corporation during Prime Minister Keir Starmer's visit to Mumbai on Wednesday. The Memorandum of Understanding agreed in the presence of BFI governors Monica Chadha and Andrew Smith. Part of Starmer's trade delegation is expected to boost co-production and joint projects between two countries. PM Modi, addressing the global fintech fair, said, "We have democratized digital technology, making it accessible to every citizen and every region of the country. In the past decade, India has achieved the democratization of technology. Today, India is among the most technologically inclusive societies in the world." PM Modi said India is not only sharing technology with other countries but also helping them develop it through open source software. United Kingdom Prime Minister Keir Starmer, addressing high-level CEOs with PM Modi, called for a hands-on approach in implementing trade and investment deals between the UK and India, emphasizing that his government aims to work closely with leaders to ensure tangible outcomes from free trade agreement and other bilateral partnerships. The event saw the announcement of major new contracts with Indian Airlines and fresh investments from UK fintech giants Revolut and Tide, signaling renewed momentum in bilateral trade and investment relations. Thank you.